came, they were able to find players that that found the defensive spunk to stop the Powerade Tigers.
Well, Powerade had that big run in the third. They outscored Ginebra 25-12, but then Ginebra shut down Powerade at the best time, which is at the end game. And that's why they held on to the 7-point win. Let's go to Magu Marjan.
Alam mo, Miko, pagka nagkagip-gipan ng bakbakan, etong si Fearless siguradong hindi uurong sa labanan. Stats, 10 points, 6 rebounds, 5 assists, all-around performance para sa'yo, plus some crucial hits late in the game. Anong tumatakbo sa isip mo no, na paano mo pinatibay loob mo?
Well, sobrang wala ako na-shoot sa 3 points. So parang sabi ko sa defense, tapos hustle lang kasi yung game yun, kung sino mas ma-hustle yung nananalo.
Speaking of your defense, si Gary David, 25 points first 3 quarters, 2 points lang ginawa noong 4th quarter. Yung ba talaga focus mo doon?
Well, mahirap depensahan si Gary, lalo na pag nakauna. So nung kakatap ba medyo end of the 4th quarter na, sabi ko, tsagayin ko nang. Nag-work naman for Gary.
May mga babatiin ka ba?
Una-una yung asawa ko, si Marison, mga taga Iloilo, then taga Super, taga Delgado, taga Bali 5, taga Pasig. Thank you.
Maraming salamat and congratulations, Ronald Tubit. Let's turn it back over to Miko and Jason.
Salamat, Magu. Ronald Tubit, inamin niya. Hindi ganun kadali. Pigilan si Gary David. He had 27 points in this game.
At sinabi niya, kung sinong may hustle, yun ang mananalo. At alam naman natin, si Ronald Tubit, ay nako, nakaka-hustle talaga yan. Hustle talaga yan.
Hustle para sa kalaban. Minsan para din sa kakampi. Pero madalas para sa kalaban. Final score, 82-75. Ginebra gets into the winning column after dropping their opening day game. Ginebra had that 7-0 run to end the first. Had that 15-point lead to end the half. And bagamat dumikit ang laro in the third, they held on to this win with tough defense in the end. 82-75 ang final score. For Magu Marjan, my partner, Jason Webb, and for the men and women of Solar TV, I'm Miko Alili saying goodnight from the Batangas City Sports Center. This is the PBA on Solar TV.